Hey there, fellow plant enthusiasts. Are you ready for an adventure like no other? Buckle up as we journey into the mesmerizing realm of the Eastern Red Columbine. Prepare to be swept off your feet as we uncover the secrets of this enchanting wildflower and delve into its world of vibrant blooms and natural beauty. So, grab your gardening gear and get ready for a wild ride into the heart of the Eastern Red Columbine. 1. Meet the Eastern Red Columbine. Close your eyes and imagine yourself wandering through a lush forest, surrounded by a kaleidoscope of colors. Suddenly, you stumble upon a flower that seems to glow with an otherworldly radiance. That's the Eastern Red Columbine. With its vibrant red and yellow petals, it's like a beacon of joy in the midst of nature's splendor. 2. Exploring its natural habitat. Now, let's step into the Eastern Red Columbine's playground, the great outdoors. Picture yourself hiking through wooded trails where sunlight filters through the canopy and wildflowers dance in the breeze. Here, amidst the beauty of nature, the Eastern Red Columbine thrives, adding a touch of magic to every landscape it graces. 3. Planting made magical. Ready to bring a little bit of that magic into your own backyard? Planting the Eastern Red Columbine is easier than you think. Imagine digging your hands into the earth, feeling the soil beneath your fingertips as you create a cozy home for your new botanical friend. With a little love and care, your Eastern Red Columbine will soon be blooming like never before. 4. Tender, loving care. As your Eastern Red Columbine settles into its new home, it's important to shower it with plenty of TLC. Think of it like nurturing a delicate friendship. You wouldn't forget to water your best buddy, would you? So grab your watering can and fertilizer and show your Eastern Red Columbine some love. Trust me, it'll thank you with an explosion of breathtaking blooms. 5. Embrace the enchantment. As the days turn into weeks and your Eastern Red Columbine grows and flourishes, take a moment to soak in its beauty. Imagine sitting in your garden, surrounded by a riot of color and the gentle hum of bees. It's like stepping into a fairy tale, where every flower tells a story, and every moment is filled with wonder. As we bid farewell to our botanical adventure, I hope you feel inspired to welcome the Eastern Red Columbine into your own garden. With its captivating beauty and easygoing nature, it's sure to bring a touch of enchantment to your outdoor oasis. So go ahead, plant an Eastern Red Columbine, and let the magic begin.